Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I like to check Facebook Marketplace a few times a week for anything I can use for my dioramas. And last week I got really lucky. I found this Barbie-sized kitchen, so I contacted the seller and arranged a meetup. It was a bit of a drive, but it was worth it. The lady was so sweet. She put in extra items in the bag. I'm going to take everything out of the bag and then we'll take a closer look. Ooh, let's check out what's in the tin container first. Oh, cool. These are the mini brand surprise items. There must be a few packs in here. And wow, check out this beautiful kitchen. I love it. It's fabulous. I found it online. It sells for $145. Wow. There are some missing pieces, but definitely worth the trip. And the sounds work. Not the microwave. Maybe I can replace the batteries. Couldn't get it open. I didn't want to force it too much, but for some reason it started working. Wow, what an awesome deal. Only $20. But that's not all I got. Also inside the bag was the coffee shop set. There's a lot of missing parts, but I'm thinking now I want to create a little coffee shop diorama. What do you think? And that's not all. There's also the grocery store. I already have one, so I'm thinking, what about a grocery store diorama? Should I do it? Tell me down below. Wow, what an amazing haul. Definitely going to have some fun transforming these pieces. So a few days later, I was back on Facebook Marketplace and I found another kitchen. I can't pass these up. Brand new, they're pretty expensive. I got this kitchen for only $15. Another great deal. But it's in rougher shape. A lot of stickers and the stove part is missing. Here's the original picture. I can't wait to start working on these kitchens for the new apartment dioramas. Here's a few kitchen styles I like and would love to recreate. Which one is your favorite? Tell me what you think of my amazing Facebook Marketplace finds. Please subscribe to my channel and click on notifications for all videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you think I scored big. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.